Let's get gelling with some watermelon. Jello. We're gonna make a watermelon jello cheesecake. I love Jello. Makes me mellow. Right on. We need that Jello. Dissolve it in a cup of boiling water. Mix it for 2 minutes. I'm gonna let this cool in the fridge for about 20 minutes. It should thicken, but not set. In a bowl, I need to mix together a cup of sugar, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix until smooth. I need a 5-ounce can of evaporated milk. I chilled it a little bit. Put it in a bowl. I'm gonna mix that until whipped and thick. I grabbed that Jello and I'm gonna add it to the evaporated milk gradually and beat it regularly. Fold in the cream cheese mixture. I'm just gonna pour that into a graham cracker crust. I made my own. And then I just refrigerate it until set, around 4 hours. Watermelon Jello cheesecake. It definitely set. Oh, The watermelon flavor pops right through. And it's the perfect cheesecake for the summer. I used to have a job collecting leaves. I was raking it in.